You're going to do a song for us, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's hear it.
Okay.
Doctor said.
Sing it if you know it. Break. Peanut butter Tuesday, you know what I mean, right? You made me
just to be 2 years old again. Imagine what we could have done. Imagine what we could have been. Making paper planes till the sun goes down. I'll be holding your hand as it squeezing onto mine. Hold on tight, we should never let go. Remember building castles out of old Lego, just to knock 'em down. See, it's changed now, you're not around. I'm not the same, but I hope you're proud. I wish that little face was still around, with that cheesy smile and them little chubby cheeks.
Soared high from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I'd hoped you see my face, and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you.
My hair's not brushed, my makeup's now smeared. I've been crying, is it not clear? I'm hurt, I want to scream. Could someone please tell me this is just a dream? This isn't who I was born to be, but the light in me I can no longer see. I can't hide this demon inside. How'd it get in? It's scratching at my skin. The blood streams down my arm. What am I gaining from this self-harm? The blood represents the tears I cannot cry. Can anyone see that I truly want to die?
we all need a new smile.